Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to load paper in HP Smart Tank 670. Let's get into it. To open the paper tray, just pull it towards you, and here you can see two paper guides. You can press on this lever to move them closer together or spread apart. So first, slide the paper guide slightly wider than the width of your paper sheets. Then take the paper stack and push it inside of the printer until it meets some resistance so that you can't move it anymore, and then align with the paper guides, but don't press on the paper too much, just align and push the paper tray inside of the printer until it gets fixed in the place, and then extend the output tray and done. Always make sure that your paper stack is not above these marks. This is the mark for plain paper and for photo paper, so use them as your guidance. And overall recommendation that applies to all printers: do not use even slightly wrinkled, torn or damp paper to avoid paper jams. That's pretty, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.